Good morning to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel HGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Now let us discuss senior inter one of the topics circles. Already discussed general form of a circle in previous class. Now let us discuss the solutions of exercise 1a in Roman number 1. Here to find given one equation of circle to find center and radius. Here to find center and radius to the given equation of circle. Let us discuss the solutions of that sums. Now in this these two are in examples given in solved problems. So first of all solve these two sums. Next we continue exercise 1a. So here the first sum is the given circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals 0. First of all, we check that the given equation of circle which is in the general form or not. So here we observe that clearly this is the general form of a circle. Already we know that the general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a circle. Now here comparing with these two, the coefficients of x are here 2g equals to 2, 2f equals to 4 and c equals to minus 4. Now we take that values. Here comparing these two, which implies 2g equals to 2, 2f equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 4. Here it can simplify that the value of g is here cancel with 2, divide with 2, so both are cancelled, g equals to 1. Similarly in this also 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, f equals to minus 2 and already c is there, c equals to minus 4. Now here the formula of center of the circle, center c equals to the formula is minus g minus f. Order pair of minus g minus f. Here to substitute the value of g and f in this one. So here minus 1. Minus g means minus 1. Minus f means minus of minus 2. Now it can simplify that minus 1 and 2. So this is the center of the circle. Similarly to find radius. So the formula of radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula for radius. Now we are substitute in this one g square. That means 1 square plus f square. F means minus 2. So plus of minus 2 whole square minus c. So minus of minus 4 plus 4. Now it can simplify that in this square root of 1 square means 1 minus 2 square means plus 4 plus 4. So here that value is root 9. Now square root 9 means 3. So radius means 3. Here center is minus 1 and 2, radius is 3. These are the center and radius of the given circle. Similarly, now in second one, here this is example number 2. Next we continue exercise. Here the given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 4 equals 0. First of all, it will be converted into general form of a circle. Here we divide with 3 on both sides. Now the given equation can be written as x square plus y square minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2x plus 4 by 3 into y minus 4 by 3 equals to 0. Now comparing with general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Now which implies here x coefficient is minus 2 in this 2g. That equals 2g equals minus 2 and 2f equals to 4 by 3 and c value minus 4 by 3. Now here it can simplify that g equals to minus 1, minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1 and in this 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, f equals to 2 by 3 and c is minus 4 by 3. Now here center equals to minus g minus f. Now in this, we substitute the values of g and f. Minus g means minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus of means minus 2 by 3. This is the center of the circle. Similarly, radius. R equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now here g means minus 1. Minus 1 square means plus 1. F square means 2 by 3. That means 4 by 9. Minus c. Minus of minus plus 4 by 3. Now it can be simplified that in this we take LCM 9. 9 plus 9 1 9, 1 into 4. 4. 3 3 9, 3 4 12. Now that equals to, here 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 12, 25. Square root of 25 by 9. That means here 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is the radius of the circle. This is the center and radius of the given circle. Now we go to exercise problems. In Roman number 1, in 11th one, the first one is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 equals 0. Now we compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus c equals 0. Now which implies here 2g equals to minus 4, 2f equals to minus 8 and c equals to minus 41. Now the center equals to minus g minus f. Here g equals to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 2 and f equals to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja minus 4, c value minus 41. So center formula is order by minus g minus f. Now substitute g and f in this one. Minus g means minus of minus 2 plus 2. Minus of means minus of minus 4 plus 4. This is the center. And radius square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now here it can be simplified that substitute the values of g and f. Minus 2 whole square, that is plus 4, minus 4 whole square, that is 16. Here minus 41, that means plus 41. Now we observe that 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 41 61. So square root 61. This is the radius of the circle. Similarly follow same procedure. Here also, first of all we divide with 3. It can be written as x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2y plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Now comparing with general form of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. In this 2g equals to minus 5 by 3, 2f equals to minus 2, c equals to 4 by 3. Now here g equals to minus 5 by 6. In this 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, f equals to minus 1, c equals to 4 by 3. Now the formula of center of the circle equals to r by minus g and minus f. Minus g means minus of minus plus 5 by 6. Minus f means minus of minus 1 plus 1. This is the center. Similarly radius equals to, the formula is g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square plus f square minus c. In this substitute the values. G square minus 5 by 6 whole square, that means 25 by 36 plus f square plus 1 minus c. In this minus c means minus 4 by 3, that equals to, in this one square root of LCM is 36. Now in this, in the numerator 25 plus 1 into 36, 36 minus 3 12 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 48. Therefore 25 plus 36, 41, 61. In 61 subtract 48 from 61, This is 11 minus 8, 3, 5 minus 4, 1, 13. 13 by 36. Once we check, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 30, 61, minus 48, 11 minus 8, 3. In this 5 minus 4, 1. So square root 13 by 36. That is the radius of the circle. So these are the solutions of given sums. Next we continue remaining problems. Now in the given equation, first of all we divide with 3. This is x square plus y square 6 by 3. That is 2x minus 12 by 3. 4y minus 1 by 3 equals to 0. Now comparing with general form of the circle, directly we write 2g equals to 2, 2f equals to minus 4 and c equals to minus 1 by 3. Now here it can simplify that the value of g is 2 by 2, that equals to 1. In this f equals to minus 4 by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2 2 ja minus 2 and c equals to minus 1 by 3. Therefore center order pair minus g comma minus f. In this substitute the values of g and f. Minus 1, minus of g means 1 and minus of minus 2 plus 2. Similarly radius r equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. In this we substitute the value of g and f. 1 square means 1, f equals to minus 2. So f square means plus 4, minus of minus plus 1 by 3. Now that equals to, here LCM is 3, 1 plus 4 5. 5 into 3 15 plus 1. That is square root 16 by 3. That means 4 by root 3. This is the radius of the circle. Similarly, in this the given circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equals 0. Here comparing with general form of circle, 2g equals to 6 and 2f equal to 8 and c equals to minus 96. Now here the value of g is 6 by 2, that equals to 3. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. In this f equals to 8 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja and c equals to minus 96. Now we take the form of center of the circle, that is order pair minus g minus f. In this minus g means minus 3, minus f means minus 4. So minus 3 minus 4 is the center. Radius equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now substitute the values in the square root. G square means 3 square 9 plus f square 16 plus 96, minus of minus plus 96. Here it can be simplified that 16 plus 9 25 and 96. So 11, 10 plus 2 121. So square root 121. Square root 121 means 11. So 11 is the radius of the circle. Similarly, in the fifth one, we divide with 2. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y minus 3 by 2 equals 0. Now 2g equals to, here 2g means the quotient of x, that is minus 2. 2f equals to 3 and c equals to minus 3 by 2. That means g equals to 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So minus 1. F equals to 3 by 2. C equals to minus 3 by 2. Now we take formula of center. Center equals to order pair minus g minus f. Minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2 is the center. Radius. Radius equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now here substitute the values. Minus 1 whole square 1, f square 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4, minus c, minus of minus plus 3 by 2. Here we take LCM 4. Now 1 into 4, 4 plus 9, 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 6. So 10 plus 19, square root 19 by square root 4 means 2. So square root 19 by 2 is the radius of the circle. Now in this one, first of all we divide with 2. That is x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 equals 0. Comparing with general form of circle, in this 2g equals to minus 3 by 2, 2f equals to 1, c equals to minus 1 by 2. Now here we find the value of g, that is minus 3 by 4. In this f equals to 1 by 2, c equals to minus 1 by 2. Now we find center. The formula of center is r square minus g minus f. In this, minus of minus 3 by 4, that is plus 3 by 4. In this, minus 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is the center, and we take radius. The formula of this one equals to square root g square plus f square minus c. Now here we substitute the values of g and f. Minus 3 by 4 means 9 by 16. Minus 3 by 4 whole square means 9 by 16. In this, plus 1 by 4. In this, minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 by 2. Now that equals to square root of, we take LCM, that is 16. So in numerator 9 plus 4, 4 is 16, 4 into 1 plus 4, 2 8 is 16, 8 into 1 plus 8. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 8, square root 21 by square root of 16 means 4. So square root 21 by 4 is the radius, center is 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. So these are the solutions of the given 4 sums. Next continue remaining sums. Now the seventh one is, the circle is square root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equals 0. First of all we divide with square root 1 plus m square. That is x square plus y square minus 2c by square root 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by square root 1 plus m square equal to 0 into 1. Here constant is 0. So in this, comparing with general form of circle, 2g value minus 2c by square root 1 plus m square. 2f equals to minus 2mc by square root 1 plus m square. And c equal to 0. Now center of the circle equals to square root. First of all here cancel with 2. That is g equals to minus c by square root 1 plus m square. In this 2 cancel on both sides. F equals to minus mc by square root 1 plus m square. C equals 0. So center of circle equals to r square minus g minus f. In this we substitute the values. Minus of minus c by square root 1 plus m square. That is plus c by square root 1 plus m square. Minus f. Minus of minus plus. So mc by square root of 1 plus m square. So this is the center. Now radius. The formula of radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now in this substitute g and f. G value is minus c by square root 1 plus m square. Now here c square by square root of 1 plus m square whole square. That means 1 plus m square plus f square means here m square c square by here also square root of 1 plus m square whole square. Square root and square cancel. In the denominator value is 1 plus m square. So c value is 0. So minus 0. Now in this we observe that denominators are equal. Now we add numerators. Now here we take c square plus m square c square by 1 plus m square square root of. Now here we take common c square into 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square. So in this 1 plus m square 1 plus m square both numerator and denominators are cancelled. Now here we write square root of c square. Here square and square root will be cancelled. That value is c. So radius equals to c. Center is c by square root 1 plus m square, mc by square root 1 plus m square. This is the solution for this problem. Similarly, in this one, here we compare with general form of circle. 2g equals to plus 2a, 2f equals to minus 2b, c equals to b square. Now which implies here cancel with 2. So g equals to a. Here also cancel with 2. F equal to minus b. C equals to b square. Therefore center C equals to minus g minus f. Order pair minus g minus f. Now we write g and f in this order pair. So minus g means minus a. Minus f means minus of minus b plus b. So minus a plus b is the center. Now here we find radius. The formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now substitute g, f, c in this square root. Here g square means a square, f square means minus b whole square, that is b square, minus c means b square. Here we observe b square minus b square will be cancelled. Now we write square root of a square. Here also cancel square root and square. Now radius is a. So radius equals to a. This is the solution for this question. Now here in Roman number 1, 11 sum, 8 questions are given. These are same model. Given equation of circle to find center and radius. Now these are the solutions of these sums. Next we will continue remaining sums in next video. So wish you all the best. Prepare and practice well. Thank you one and all.